All right, let's do a quick review of the sort index method, and it'll operate pretty similarly on a data frame as it does on a series, because this time we don't have to specify any additional parameters. It works just like it does on a regular series, which still has one index. Let's begin by re-importing our code. We have our original data frame, and let's just mess up the index order by using our sort values method and overwriting our NBA data frame. So I'm going to do nba.sortValues, and let's give it actually a 3-item list: number, salary, and name. And all of those are going to be sorted in ascending order. So it's first going to sort the numbers lowest to greatest, then the salary within those numbers lowest to greatest, and if it runs into an identical salary, it's going to sort the names there lowest to greatest. And let's make that in place equals true. So now we've overwritten our data set, and if I preview the last 3 rows, actually I think that's where we're going to have the all the null values. Nope, goes just fine. So we can see here that we've sorted our data frame and we have the index completely out of order. We have 68, 1, and 457 here at the bottom of our data frame. Now let's say we want to sort by index so we can get back to our original shape. The method is going to be the exact same. It's just going to be called on a data frame this time around instead of on a series. So we're going to get our data frame in NBA. Dot sort underscore index is our method. If I execute this, you can see that it's going to return it back to its original shape, and the index is going to be sorted in ascending order. We can see as well, if I click into those parentheses and use my Shift tab, I can see that the ascending argument here is set to true by default. If I want to sort the index in reverse ascending order or descending order, which is greatest to lowest, I can just change the argument from true to false for ascending. And now we have our data frame sorted in reverse index order, so it's starting at the last index position and proceeding downwards. And finally, to make this change permanent, I have to give an argument of true to my in-place parameter. In-place exists on the sort index method, much like it exists on the sort values method and many others. So in-place equals true. And now finally, if I take a look at my first 3 rows of NBA, we have the index sorted in reverse order, descending, which means greatest to lowest. So pretty similar to how this method operates on the series. It's just sorting any which way you want it to using that ascending parameter, and then if you want to make it permanent, just remember to use that in-place parameter.